BKNG stock analysis next week Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. First thing that I want to start off by saying is that this looks like such a bullish shift and the market is extending, and we have just like a pullback right now. Before I get into it, booking holding stock, so my chart looked like from before. I don't know if I have my drawings here or it has just been such a long time. Now they're not here. Remove some drawings, but looking at this thing here, the only thing that I'm looking to do is just buy, because it's like such a bullish trend from a first glance. Keep in mind, I have experience of making 36,000 predictions, right? And I've seen what's working for me, what's not. Booking is just kind of falling down, which is solid, you know, it's gonna happen. It's totally normal part of the game. And as we're hitting kind of this demand, all I'm gonna look to do is get involved and buy only if I see a shift and there's a double break, right? So if the rules are not met, I'm not gonna buy. Also, because like all I will do in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.